Welcome back to the Discovering Plants series. In this video we will learn about germination. Last time we discussed about seed dispersal. The seed that are dispersed will develop into young plants if the conditions are right. The development of seeds into young plants is called germination. What are the necessary conditions for germination? Let's do an experiment to find out. For this experiment you will need a tray, some cotton wool and some green beans. In the first setup, place 5 green beans on some dry cotton wool. In the second setup, place 5 green beans on some moist cotton wool. Now leave both setups on a table for next few days. But keep adding water to setup B every day to make sure it remains moist. What did you observe? Which setup germinates after few days? Why did it germinate? You will observe that setup B has germinated. Let's find out why. Seeds need following things to germinate: water, oxygen in the air, right temperature. Most seeds do not need light to germinate. Otherwise, they would not be able to germinate in the dark soil. Now let's find out why seeds need these things to germinate. Seeds need water to soften and break the seed coats. Oxygen is needed for a process called respiration. Respiration releases energy from the food stored in the seed leaves. Seeds germinate at a range of temperature. Some need low temperatures to germinate, while others need warm temperatures. Germinating seeds get their food from their seed leaves. They need light to make food only when they grow their own leaves and the stored food in the seed leaves are used up. Small leaves with the seeds are called seed leaves, while these are the true leaves of a plant. Let's see some more parts of the seeds. Inside each seed is a baby plant called embryo. A bean has 2 seed leaves or cotyledons. Flowering plants that produce seeds with 2 seed leaves or cotyledons are known as dicotyledons. A maize seed has only 1 seed leaf or cotyledon. Flowering plants which produce seeds with only 1 seed leaf or cotyledon are known as monocotyledons. Maize and grass plants are monocotyledons. When the conditions for germination are right, the root grows downwards and the shoot grows upwards. The seed develops into a seedling that gets its food from the seed leaves. When new leaves develop, the seedling is able to make its own food. The seed leaves dry up and die when the food stored in them is used up. This brings us to the end of the video. If you have any queries you can write to us at thestudypod01@gmail.com.